Okay folks, I want to show you some of my parts I'm gathering up for the Bigfoot RC airplane. It's from 3D Hobby Shop. Wingspan 84 inches, the length is 69 inches. And here's some of the Dubro tires, 6-inch tires. Got some of that, and some fuel line, mixture apparatus, and some red line. I'm going to use the red line 2-stroke racing oil in it. I'll break it in with the ashless oil and then switch over to the red line 2-stroke racing oil. And also I'm building a little box here to pump the fuel into my gasser, and hope you can see that. Some of the on-off switches in the pump up and down, pump the fuel in or pump the fuel out. Also I got to check my battery. The battery should be located inside here. Okay, and I chose a twin engine from Valley View RC. So what I'll do is open it right now. Hang on one second. Here I go, get my box cutter. Okay. Just got it today. Let's see what's in here. This is my switch, miracle switch, and where I put the fuel in here. Okay, and get this out of here. Can't wait to Okay, I bought it from Valley View RC, and so give them a shout. And okay, now I get this open here. There we go. Nice little mufflers. Should be 2 of them, yeah. And your ignition module. Okay. And your standoffs. Oh boy. Now, let me see here. Where'd my cutter go? There we go. Now be careful, don't cut my motor. Pack it pretty good. Okay. There. I can see this is a beauty. Okay. There we go. There we go. Got that good motor smell. That good oil smell to it. There we go right here. Nice little spark plugs. Looks like pretty good quality. Well, that's about it, folks. I will when I start my build on a fuselage, I'll post some more videos. That's about it. Stay tuned.